Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove stories from your Instagram archive, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your archived content and maintain your privacy. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. Step 3. Select Archive from the menu options to access your archived posts and stories. Step 4. At the top of the archive screen, make sure Stories is selected from the drop-down menu rather than Posts. Step 5. Scroll through your archived stories to find the ones you want to permanently delete. Step 6. Tap on the story you want to remove to open it in full screen view. Step 7. Tap the 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the story. Step 8. Select Delete from the menu options. Instagram will warn you that this action is permanent. Step 9. Tap Delete again to confirm that you want to permanently remove the story from your archive. Step 10. The story will be immediately deleted and cannot be recovered, so make sure you want to remove it before confirming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.